Okay, Assalamualaikum Ryan. All okay? Yeah, okay. I just saw your message now. I thought you forgot. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go for direct proportion and inverse proportion. Have you started in school? Direct and inverse? Yes, huh?
A long
So
time already.
long time already.
I start before the HBI.
Then now what you doing?
Now we're doing factorization.
What? Sorry?
Factorization.
Factorization. Okay. So so how you wanna factorization? You got any questions for me? Any homework you don't know?
I think I
If
have
you,
homework.
um, you have homework. I can't hear you. Good.
I
You
think I
got.
have homework. Let me check.
Okay. We can. I mean, it's best to go through what you don't know in your homework, but yeah, we can also have a look lah at your homework and then.
No, I don't have homework, but I have math quiz tomorrow.
Oh, maths quiz on what?
Factorization.
Factorization. Which chapter is this? You tell me which chapter.
Um, chapter 5.
Book A.
Book A.
Book A, chapter 5. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. Factorization. Okay, you are using Think
No, I'm
or
using
you Discovery.
Discovery.
Okay, Discovery. You got a textbook?
Yeah.
Okay, we refer to the textbook lah. Because I don't, my workbook is koyak already. So we use hold on. Just give me a moment. This one, right? But mine is I got the express one, but it's okay. It's okay. Let me see. Okay, we turn to chapter 5. Okay, because this is express and normal academic. There's some similarities lah, but direct proportion. Okay, maybe I'll give you some of the questions you do straight lah.
So it's chapter 4.
Chapter 4 ke chapter 5? Chapter 4,
Chapter 4.
and formula. So the whole of chapter 4, or is it just factorization? Factorization, what you said. Okay, we have a look now. Simplifying. Okay, so it's not here, not here. Let me see. Page what? Sorry? Page what? 106. Can you take a photo of your the thing? I just want to see the page that you say that is the one, and then we can go through. I don't see factorization here lah. I don't see factorization here now. I think maybe they are doing sec 1 work. The teacher is doing sec 1 work, I think. Because students are finding it difficult, right? Chapter 3 lah, Mr. Chapter 3.
No, me chapter 4.
Chapter 4. Okay, you take a photo of it, you send. Okay. But, so factorize 4.1. Different answers. Huh? Okay, I tell you what. You take the full page for me. This whole page, can you take the full page you send me? We start doing this lah. Okay, then the next page also after that. Can you take the next few pages, can I? Check, what page is it? The 4.1, 4.1 first lah. You take the exercises. I will base on that. Okay, come, we will go through that. So it'd be good if you're going to be tested on this, then that's so next time, Ryan, we can just plan for it, no, Ryan. We don't need to follow strictly because ultimately it is your world. This is your world. Okay, come. We go through this one now first. Okay. Can you try? Wow, very clear, very good. What phone you're using?
Note 9.
What knife?
Samsung Note 9.
Note lah. Okay, Samsung. Okay, you try question 3A. You tell me mentally you can do it. If cannot, you do on paper. Mentally can? 1A. Can see? Can see?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, do on paper, no problem, no problem, no problem. Can? What number both can divide by?
3.
3. So take out the 3, open up the bracket, and what's your answer? Okay, that means you put it outside the bracket. Okay, in case you forget, I'm just writing it for you for the first one. This one means what? You say 3, right? Then you put what do you write inside? 2A, and then plus B, that's it. That's it. So this is factorized area. Okay, you try B, please. You can tell me straight, you tell me straight. What are you going to take out? If you can tell me straight. You use a calculator, no problem. Please, if you need to use calculator, use calculator. Don't be embarrassed, nothing. Okay. You should not be embarrassed with me, lah. Okay. What number are you taking out? Both can divide by? Seven, Okay, so what's inside now?
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Okay, but you forgot something. If 4 plus 3, they can 4 plus 3 get 7 also. Must 4E, Don't forget the E. Okay, we do the next one, D now, D. We do D. You tell me what's outside, what's inside. 4. Okay. Actually, can get a number bigger than 4 lah. But never mind, no problem. So you get inside what?
Yeah.
2 what?
2.
Okay.
Minus
Sorry.
5.
Minus, not plus, sorry. Minus what?
4B.
4B. Notice, now you can, 2 and 4 can still share, can still be divided by 2. So take out the 2 and times down here. What do you get now? So I can still take out 2, right?
1
so A minus 2B. Now what is outside? What number is outside?
2.
No, remember down here there's 4 also. 2 times 4, you must take out 8 because you already take out 4. Notice, you see, I can straight away take out 8. What? Can divide by 8. Can divide by 8, I get 2 down here. Can you see? Minus 2B. Then I put the 8 outside. Are you okay? Okay, you try now. We try F lah, F. Okay, C. Why am I saying? I say C, sorry. I'm showing you C, I'm saying F. Okay. What outside?
13.
Inside? Huh? 1.
No, what?
1 plus.
F.
Well done. Okay, we do E.
5 outside.
5 outside, inside.
E. E.
3. 3, yeah. 5 times 3, 15, 3, 1.
E.
Minus.
Minus by 8.
Well done. Okay. So you're quite all right? You're quite all right. Okay. So now we move on to the next one. This one now, just now we look out only for numbers. So notice your book, they teach you step by step. It's very systematic. First, we just take out the numbers first, help the student first. Now we will take out the numbers and the letters. So we try now this one now. A. What you gonna take out?
Not the N.
N. So inside will be what?
So the 3M.
Yes. Plus.
1.
Well done. Okay. What about B?
Not the P.
Take out a P. Can you take out number also? Both of them can be divided by 9 actually.
No,
9. So I put 9P, you know. So inside will be
1
plus
4.
4 what?
Q.
Q. Well done. You're okay. Ryan, you're okay, Ryan. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now again, same thing. What do you take out?
So M.
M. Inside?
1 plus 1 minus 9.
9. Good. This one?
No, W.
W. Any more? Both get.
4.
Well done. 4. So inside?
The 7.
7.
And 2.
C, yeah. 7.
7.
But there's minus here or not? Yes, right? Plus and minus give minus. The other one will be
2 W. 2 U.
U. Okay. So some people might say, hey, we got double minus. Why don't we take out the minus? So some people might take out the minus 4W. So if you do that, you have 7C plus 2U. But depends on what your teacher. I think both are acceptable. To me, I prefer this one. Why? It's neater lah. So, but if you feel more comfortable doing like that, you can, inshallah, leave it that way lah. But can you see minus 4W, you times plus, you get minus. Minus times plus, you get minus. Can you see now? Are you confused? Let's say I got minus A, minus B. If I want to take out the minus sign, it's minus 1, right? Now I get A plus B. Why A plus B? Minus times plus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. So this is the same. Okay, yeah? We try E now. E. 3, some. And the
Q.
Q. Okay, inside.
5.
5. P.
Minus by 1.
Okay, you are quite good. Okay, very good lah, very good. Okay, how does it feel? Nice, right? Okay, because this thing is like a jumble of don't know what it is. No, something algebra. What are they saying lah? So now if you start to make sense, but that's beginner lah. You're just basic now. We're going to intermediate now. Let us see now. Let us try question A now. What are you going to take out? 7. Okay, then inside.
A plus
B, C. Okay, well done. That's it. What about B down here?
not
2. Can bigger than that actually. No problem. You want to take out 2 later. You got to take out someone and times lah. 4. 4 can. Okay. So what's the number inside?
3. Minus by
3 minus 8. How many? 2. Okay. Minus by plus.
by 5.
Plus. Are you sure this is the answer?
No.
And then what happened to ABC?
Oh.
Careful, if you put like that, 3 minus 2 get 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 times 4, 24. Answer to become different. Don't forget all this. Okay, you know how to do it. You know how to do, because from previous examples you can do. Okay, this one D now. You have minus, you can also take out the minus. I think your teacher would want you to take out the minus. So can we take out the minus first?
No,
Okay,
minus
minus 3, good. Any other? 3C, well done. Okay, 3 times what give you 6?
2, 2A.
2A, good. See, minus times plus give you minus. So this is correct. Next one, plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus, good. 3 times what? X. How many 7x?
7A.
Good. Down here, minus or plus?
A plus.
Plus, good. So what? Just
One.
put 1. That's it. How's it? Okay.
Nothing.
Okay, I think you're quite all right. So we move on to question number 4. Hold on. Let me clear this. You know, I didn't know clearing this. Every time I closing it, now I'm just seeing the word clear. Okay, we try now question number 4. 4A lah, 4A.
We got
3C. Okay, inside
there will be 1D
1D. Okay, we put D. Some more
plus
plus
not by 12. Plus by 12.
12.
Okay.
Okay. And next one
Minus by 3A.
3A.
Minus by 5A.
5A. Okay, well done lah. Well done. Okay, we do D lah, D.
We take out 4. Okay?
Okay, 4. 2. Oh yeah, 2, 2, you're right. Okay, 2.
2Y.
Okay. So now down here, got minus or not?
Yeah, only got 2.
2 Must put minus?
Yes.
Okay, good. And then?
So B2.
Good, good, good.
Minus by 18. Okay, minus by 9Q.
Next one.
Plus by 3.
3Y, Okay, well done, Ryan. Okay, now we're going to go 3P. Sorry. Okay, well done. Nicely done. So now, what we're going to do now, we are going to go up. This is now a little bit different, in a sense that you imagine now, this is like B lah. Imagine if let's say I put down here, I just show you, okay. Imagine this is 3AB, let's say C lah, 3AC, this one minus 4BC. So what we do with the C, we take it out, correct? We put the C outside, right? But now it's not C, it's X plus Y, we take it outside. Can you give it a try? Can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern what I'm talking about? You see down here? I'm saying, imagine this is now C. Imagine this is now C. What do? You take out the C, put outside, right?
Yeah.
Now it's X plus Y. Take out the X, Y, put outside. How? Okay, I'm going to show you. I show you the first one. So both of them have this in common. So I put it outside like that. Look, you can see X plus Y. Then inside, what do I put? You ask yourself, now X plus Y times 3A. Oh, times 3A. Okay. Minus 4B. You must do that. Why? Because this is like a letter. Let's say this letter is like C lah. Imagine I put the C outside. Can you imagine? Can see now? Can I? Okay, you try B now. You take your time, try B, take your time. Okay, Ryan. How, Ryan?
Then take 5n minus by 4
Okay, inside the bracket.
will be
But, okay, this one will be what? Times 1, right? This must be times 1 plus b. Are we okay? Okay, next one. You try.
so I can see there's homework from here.
Okay, you take a photo of the homework then. Is it on factorization?
Yeah.
Should be, right? Because okay, we can go through. But the best way is actually you do but now you don't have time, so I can look through the difficult ones. We can go through lah. You see the easy ones we have gone through. It's easy lah. Okay. Okay, I look through this, but okay. We do this one first. We finish this one. You try C first, then we look through this one. Can. Only one page.
One page. So the other page will be explained.
Okay. You okay, Ryan? Okay. What's the for C first? We do the C first. Okay, Ryan.
Y.
Okay.
8c plus by 3c.
Okay, good. So now down here, you see now. This one you can also take out. What can you take out? Okay, let us do this one now.
So you take out you take that by
4. So I put 4, and can we take out the C as well?
Yeah.
So for C, so inside maybe what?
Maybe
2 plus
by 5.
Hey, this one we can add. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't know we can add. So sorry. Okay, sorry, Ryan. Down here you can add straight 8C plus 20C. What do you get?
28.
Then you put 28C outside. You put inside. You put in minus 2Y. You get it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now we go to your classwork. Is it okay? This one, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so this one, can we cancel? Can we cancel the 2? Okay, if we cancel, let us see. First of all, let us try first. 2 plus 4 is how much?
2 plus 4 is
6. 2 plus 6?
2 plus 6 is 4. 2 plus
8. 8. Now we reduce, okay? We divide by 2, you get 3 over 4, you know. So let us see. If we cancel, will we get the same answer? So let us try. Now 2 plus 4 over 2 plus 6. Let's say we cancel. Divide by 2, you get 1, you know. Then you get 5 over 7. Cannot, different answer. So Why we cannot? Because this is like a bracket, you know. When you divide, you must do the bracket first. You must do this first. Then you can divide. For what? When there is plus. But when there is times like this, let's say now someone give you 2 times 4 over 6, you can divide by 2, divide by 2, no problem. You get 1, you get 3, 4 over 3. But let us check. 2 times 4 is 8, correct? 8 over 6. 8 over 6, if we divide by 2, divide by 2, we get 4 over 3 also. So it's the same. Can you see now? If this is times, you can cancel. If it's plus, you must do the plus first. It has been proven to you. Okay, so now let's see now. How do we simplify this one then? We cannot cancel, you see. Cannot cancel, cannot do like that. So how to simplify? You know what to do lah. You do your magic like that. Go and put something outside for the first one. Then bottom, put the number outside. You know what to do?
Yeah.
What outside? You look at this one. What? Divide by?
Divide by.
Both of them can divide by?
Divide by 2.
To inside then will become what?
1x will be
X
by 2.
Okay, then the bottom one how?
It will be 2 outside.
Okay, and then?
X plus by 2.
Now, this one now, you know, is being times, you know. It's being times. Remember what I told you? If being times, you can cancel. 1, 1. Now, x over 2 plus x plus 3, that's a factorized version. How? Okay.
Yeah.
We move on also. So, all right. Down here. Simplify. You try lah. You try first. Do the same thing. Put the bracket. You put equal, put the bracket, then put the number outside. And the number you can cancel. Then I'll check the answer. Cannot, Ryan? You know what to do, right, Ryan? Like this now. Okay. You do like then what do you put outside? What you put inside? Okay. So, sorry, what you say? I cannot hear. What you say? Show me the method. What method? You write on the screen, you wanna take photo? Either one. You have a photo. I cannot see you lah. Okay, you must share screen. Sorry. You have to share screen, or you. Okay, let me. I will share screen. Okay, you can write on top now. I think so. You try. Okay. Correct. It's correct. 3x. They cancel the x. Cannot do like that. Because they say plus, you know. Maybe I think if you factorize this first, you can cancel the x in a moment. But you have to factorize it first. Then you can see. You let me see, can? Did he do it or what? You show me. In case your teacher's teaching wrong thing, then you might be having a problem. I hope not. I hope not for you. If you get a okay, I'm gonna share screen again. I'm gonna change the screen. This one is it?
Yeah.
So which part is it?
You do the
Oh, down here cancel. Okay, this one now is okay. There is 7 times x times 3 times x times y. So it's being multiplied. You can cancel. Yours there's no as plus.
So for
Plus.
this one, I cannot use contact, right?
Sorry, do you understand this one or you okay? You actually your teacher now by writing this is explaining now. This one,
Yeah.
so it's 28. Or he has broken it up. 28. 28 times. Okay, we don't put times lah. We put x lah. X times x times x. See, x cubed times y times y. Are you okay? Over 20 x times x. X squared is x times x, right? Then y times y times y. Now, this one is being times, so you can cancel. 2x I can cancel. 2x I can cancel. 2y I can cancel. 2y I can cancel. So what is left? This one I can divide by 4. I can divide by 4. 7 over 5. So I get 7x on the top. The bottom, 5y. Why I can do this? Because this is not plus. Just now when you were showing me, it's actually the plus. Oh, wait. This one is plus, you see. So there's a plus down there you cannot do. Because you kacau the whole thing. But if you factorize it, you can do it. You must factorize this then. Take out all the similar stuff, you'll see what will happen. You try now. You do that something like that.
You do have to cancel out the
Inside, so can problem. Okay, you tell me what's your factorization? 3a, correct? 3a, right?
Yeah.
But where down here, you got no x, what? So your inside will be what? X, right?
X plus y, ui.
3y, yeah? Okay, now down here, outside will be 4
B.
B, inside
X plus y, ui.
3y. Now, can you see the bracket and bracket can cancel?
Yeah.
So you cancel the bracket, cancel bracket, you get your answer like that. 3a over 4b. How is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, you try the next one. Try the B. Try the B. How, Ryan? Okay. Okay, tell me the bottom one. Do you factorize bottom one?
Yeah.
What do you get?
4M
Inside?
minus by 5P.
5Q, is it?
Yeah.
Now down here, can you see there's 12 M? M is
One,
M. So what you do?
1 plus 1.
One,
I took on the M.
oh, you cancel the M. So now you are left with M here. Okay. M times M becomes M lah, because on top is like this.
Yeah.
Like this, M squared is M, below is 4M, right? Like that, you must be able to imagine and see down here. Then 12 and 4, how?
Not by
4.
not by 4.
Okay.
Yeah. 5.
3. 12 divided by 4 get 3 lah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now down here, what's your final answer?
It is 3M over by 1.
Not 1, bracket. P minus 5Q. Are you okay? You sure? Huh? You're clear, right, on this? Okay.
But I know actually.
What is only lacking is you need just to practice, because it need to go into your long-term memory. Because now you understand, you are in a mode of understanding, is very good. But if you leave it like that, it's like now you go and collect all the air, the gas, and you put inside a plastic bag, but you didn't tie it up. All the gas is going to come out. You put all the gas, you put inside the balloon. The balloon is very big, like a pregnant woman's stomach. But then you didn't tie the end. I'm telling you, everything, all the air or part of the air might come out. Okay. Okay. So now down here, this is still basic simplification. Okay, you do the same thing. One on it. The one with 2 terms. Do use the bracket.
Yeah. Good.
Can you factorize them? Okay, what do you put outside?
Outside 5P.
5P. Inside?
10P.
5 times what equals to 10? 2. 2P, minus?
Minus by 1.
Good. So this 5P and 15P can cancel.
5P and 15P. Yeah.
So 5P, this one, what do you left with? 3. Good. So your answer is 3 over 2 p minus 1. How? Okay or not? Okay, you try this next one. Okay. Yes, well done. So now this and this can cancel. This can cancel. Okay, nah. So your final answer will be the bracket. This is not cancel, right?
Water here water break.
Yeah, Ahmad, the K cannot cancel because there's a plus. This one, okay, why this one can cancel? Why the H can cancel? Remember, the H is being multiplied to the whole bracket. So it's being multiplied so you can cancel. But inside the bracket, you cannot cancel. Unless it's the same thing like just now. Remember, just now you got the whole bracket is the same. Remember not? Earlier on. You remember not? I'm not too sure whether you remember this one. I think this question. Inside the bracket was x plus 3y. X plus 3y. Then you cancel the x plus 3y. Correct? Where is it? Any more? Okay, that's all right? Is it that's all? No? Sorry, any more? You just give like that, right? No more. If there is, you can send me some more. You are taking a photo now? Don't have. Okay, then we go back to not this one. I'm searching for. Hold on. I'm searching for the chapter that's now. Oh yeah. Okay. Found it already. Can you try question 5D?
5D.
5D. D for daddy. Can get? Okay, we go step by step. So what are you gonna put on the outside? So sorry?
Outside 4.
Down here. This is the same, remember?
Yeah.
So put the whole bracket outside. So what's inside?
2A. 4A.
No, 2A plus
Plus
3B. Now the other bracket, this one,
2A.
you forgot it. Okay, okay. So we imagine now it's like that. Imagine it's 5x. This one is actually y. Minus this one is actually y. So what do we do? We put the y outside the bracket. Correct. Then 5x minus 1. So now we do the same thing. Instead of y, we put 2a plus 3b. Because 2a plus 3b is what is same. Imagine this y is actually 2a plus 3b. Imagine. So now I put it outside. Then inside, I must put 5x also because 2a plus 3b plus times 5x. So I put the 5x here. Then this one, I must put minus 1 still, just like this. This is your factorized version. How? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we try the next one. Hold on, wait, let me clear the screen again. Okay, this one I won't do 6 yet. Let me just see. But since they show it again, maybe we have to do. Okay, now down here now. You tell me now. Imagine this one when you have like that 3 times C times D plus 36 times A times C. So what do? You take out the 3, right?
Yeah.
So because it's being multiplied, so do the same thing now. Imagine now you are going to take it out. So what are you going to take out?
Take out.
What's the same? What's the same, you see? It's being multiplied. This is being multiplied. So you take out this one, 4, 5, 6. Can you see now? 72 plus 28. If you cannot see, no problem. I will write it another way for you.
Or is it because there's 2, 4, 5, 6?
Sorry, what?
Is it because there's 2, 4, 5, 6?
Yeah. Yes. So imagine now you see whether can you do this now? You know how to do this? You tell me how to do this. This one.
You divide by
What are you going to put outside?
draw.
No, this one.
That's simplify it, right?
I want to take out 4, 5, 6. I'm just trying to show you this one now. Then inside you put x plus y. Can see? You can see what I'm writing now?
Yeah, you see.
So this one is not confusing, right?
That's not.
Okay. So now we are replacing the x with 72, replacing the y plus 28. So that's why you put the 72 plus 28 inside. But this is now basic evaluate. They want you to calculate. It's not simplify, no. They say you use factorization. So they want you to use like this. Why? 72 plus 28, what's your answer? Can you find out?
It's 100.
Yes, so it's times by 100, So times 100, what's your answer? 4, 5, 6,
0, 0.
0. You see, you don't need to use a calculator. So they want you to do the same thing. So let us try this one. Try this one. C. You tell me what to do. What do we put outside?
Like 99.
99, huh? 0.3. Is this correct? Are you saying? Okay, inside, what are you going to do?
46.
Minus 46 or 46?
Minus 20.
Okay.
Minus 20.
Okay. Can you just check what is minus 46 minus 54 in your calculator?
It's what? Negative 100.
Negative 100, huh?
Ah,
So now you times 99.3 times 100, you shift how many? Two decimal place, right?
ah.
Get 930. Then don't forget to put the minus, plus and minus, put the minus. So they might give you questions like this, but they say you must show the working. See, now I'm showing the working. So you try the next one. You try D lah. Hold on. You try B. You try B. B first. Tell me what to do. What do we put outside?
Go outside.
314. Inside the bracket.
Minus 27.
Minus 2778. And then plus by.
1778.
Can you just try check minus 2778 minus or 1778 minus 2778? What's the answer?
Negative 1.
Negative 1000. So it's times by negative 1000. So what's your answer?
Negative 314.
314. How many zeros?
0, 0, 0. 3 0.
Can you see now? They are now, for this type of question, why they give you numbers, they say, actually, you don't need to use calculator, see? We do it in such a way, you use factorization, you only need 2 times. Otherwise, down here, you got a times without calculator. 456 times 72, 456 times 28, then after you add, it's very long. But now you become very fast. Are you okay? Okay, we do advanced now. Okay, we go advanced. Advanced is the same thing. So you do 7A first. 7A. 7A.
You take out 3894 outside.
Yeah, but you take a 389 put outside. But
One is negative 389.
so you okay, we put okay 3 and 9 outside. Inside, what do you put?
Put 0.5.
7. Hold on.
0.57.
Then plus or minus of that.
Plus.
Down here, you see, this is a minus sign. So remember, this is one number. This is like 389x, 389y, 389y minus 389x. So you must have minus on here. Minus 0.47. So can you find out from the calculator 0.57 minus 0.47, what do you get?
Yeah, 0.1.
Yeah. 0.1 means you must shift backwards the decimal place. You can 38.9. Yes. So more or less it's okay, okay, but you know all these maths is same as gaming, you got to practice lah. There's no shortcut. So we move on. Hold on. We do a little bit of intermediate, okay? Okay, first of all, in order to do this, we try the simple one first. Let's say now I have the area is 12 square meters. 12 square meters. Down here is 4 meters. What's the answer for here? Formula is length times breadth equals to this. This times this. So your answer is 4 times what equals to 2?
4 times by 3.
3. So another way of doing it is actually 12 divided by 4, you get 3 lah. So I'll show you this triangle. This triangle is being used all the time. So now you want to find area, you put area down here. Below is length times breadth. If you want to find the breadth like this now, cancel breadth. What do you get? You get area divided by length. Area is 12 divided by length. You get 3. So you see, sometimes you need to find the length. So area divided by breadth, you get the length. If you want to find area, length times breadth. Okay, so what you do now, you try this particular one. What you want to find the length? What's the formula for finding the length? Area
length, right? Area divided by
breadth. So you do lah. Where's the area? Area is here. Breadth is here. Can you go and divide them? You try to divide, but before you divide, later you must factorize. Then you can cancel. You write as a fraction first lah. Area over the breadth, and then you factorize.
divide A outside.
Good. A outside. Inside is
B plus by 10.
Then you cancel what? Can cancel over A. Then you cancel the A. You try to see whether you can use. Like that, right? Am I correct? You did something like that. Then over A. Then you can cancel?
Yeah.
So your answer is
B plus by 10.
So this is B plus 10. Okay. How is it? Okay, you try the next one now. You try the next one, which is this one now. You want to find the length. Same thing.
Equals to N plus by 3.
M plus by
N plus by 3.
Plus by 3, yeah? Well done. How is it? How you get it? I'm so happy for you. Okay, this is you must feel good also. No, you must celebrate. But don't get drunk lah. Say today I celebrate. Don't go gila lah. Okay. Now here, hold on. Maybe. Whatever. Okay, this one I think is okay. So how? Okay, are you alright? We can stop here, or you want to continue, or how? You got any questions for me? You got to do the work lah. Whatever work the work I gave, you must do. This is your journey. You know, last time I used to fail Sec 2. You know, this whole book, not this book lah. Last time there was 20, 30 years ago. It's a different book lah. It's not this book. I did the whole thing myself, but Sec 2 I failed. I started doing in the middle of Sec 3. Trying to understand every concept on wow, really going in very, very deep. No tuition for me. Parents cannot afford. But in the end, it's possible. But now you have tuition and all. You can ask, you see. You must ask lah. Okay? Make sure you score an A lah. Try your best to score an A. There's still time. I know in your heart you say, alamak, how to score A lah, how to score A. You have to brush up on your earlier parts, because this one next time you're going to be a businessman. Let's say, okay, don't be a businessman. You say you want to follow your dad. Your dad is working in a police force. What? What guard? Coast Guard. So Coast Guard, you're going to buy a house. You need to know percentage. You need to know all this, right? So, but it's up to you. Don't look down now. So are you disappointed? Nothing, right? Okay, I'm basically telling you, you got to practice, otherwise you forget. It's like you play guitar. Nah?
No.
What do you play?
So,
Huh? Nothing.
I cycle.
What?
I
Again?
cycle. I cycle.
Cycle. Okay, cycle. Okay, those who play guitar, the memory will become muscle memory. They don't need to remember anymore. So at some point in time, you reach a stage where it's all in your head, really, very fast. And people cannot kelintong you, no? It's kelintong, no? Cheat you, cannot cheat you. You'll be very fast. You say, fella say, hey, whatever he promised, you can do your calculation in the mind. But anyway, I'll catch up with you again. Next week, I need to make it on Wednesday, lah. Just for next week alone. Is it okay? 8:40 Wednesday. Because I have one student that needs me to go to the house on Thursday night. He has something. If cannot, then we can try another day, lah. Are you next Wednesday okay? Lah? Okay, 8:40 next Wednesday, yeah. Take care of yourself. Right. If you see Nabil, send my regards to him. Do you meet him? Lah? No. Okay, okay. All right, then you take care. Assalamualaikum.